Today I'm in the sheep pen because we've had a lot of rain in the last week, and the sheep pen is wet. So normally we'll change, we'll clean the pen on occasions once a week or so, but when it rains so much, it gets a lot of humidity, and it's just not good for the sheep and goats here. So I'm going to show you what we're doing here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Natasha. I work to be self-sufficient, grow my own food, and live off the land. And then this is in the sheep pen here. This is the what we put down. It is a rice husk, and within it you can see the sheep manure pebbles here, which is good because this is what we're going to use for the garden. But you can see how wet it gets. I mean, it's so wet here. And the deeper we go, it's like mud here. So what we're going to do is we're getting it all out, and going to put it in these bags here. And just really good for the rest of the garden and the food. So, this is a chore that takes most of the day because it's a lot of stuff to really just dig up. And then we want to make sure that we get all of the wet part, the real moist part, before we put the new bags of dry rice husks back in the pen. So that's what we're doing today, and we'll go over here and see how he's putting it in the bag. I don't know if I can hold it any better. No. Yeah. Great.
Sucio.
See, we get dirty. But look at it. It's really good for the garden. Yes. Okay. So you only did halfway because it was broken. And we'll do this next. All right. Great. Thanks for watching.